back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company study.com. It is going to be a contract 1099 position. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to pull up any of these pages that I share or get that application in. Now, study.com has 384 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and they have a rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an online research and data entry assistant. Again, this is a contract position. It is remote work from home. They have it marked as entry level, and this is going to be non-phone. So it says the research and data entry assistant supports study.com's scaled email outreach effort to get the word out about resources and product offering. The ideal data entry assistants are self-motivated, thoughtful, and have excellent research skills. So you'll basically be evaluating a variety of websites, finding the best contacts for the approved websites. You'll work on multiple simultaneous projects, and you'll assess the content of the project's resources, evaluate the provided websites for potential link building partners, and determine if they fit in the project resource. So you are going to be basically responsible for researching online and finding the best contact information for each approved website. It is strictly a research role. You find that contact information, and that's where the data entry piece comes in. You enter it into the database. You are not actually having to reach out or communicate with these external websites at all. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree for this position. They are looking for someone who can do online research, content evaluation, or website vetting, someone who has access to US-based websites, someone who is detail-oriented, fluent in the English language, and able to work independently. Now, it does say that they pay twice a month through a PayPal, so if you're not comfortable using PayPal, this might be a problem with this job for you. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did a little bit of research on Glassdoor, and if you scroll through their salary pages, a data entry and research assistant makes anywhere from $41,000 a year all the way up to $44,000 a year. $44,000 a year would be $21 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for or any suggestions or feedback you have for me about how I can make these job leads more helpful to you. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.